When a biased coin is thrown 4 times, the probability of getting 4 heads is 16 over 81. Work out the probability of getting 4 tails when the coin is thrown 4 times. Now the first thing we need to do is find the probability of getting 1 head when the coin is thrown once. So we're going to let x be the probability of getting heads. So the probability of getting 4 heads is, okay, so we've got the probability of getting heads. And again, we've got the probability of getting heads on the second time, and the third time, and the fourth time. Just multiply together 4 times. And that equals what we've been told in the question is 16 over 81. So we've got x to the power of 4 equals 16 divided by 81. Now if we want to get x by itself, we can just take the fourth root of both sides. So the fourth root of the left hand side is just x, and on the right hand side we're going to take the fourth root of 16 over 81. And if we put that into our calculator, we find out that that gives us 2 over 3. Now the probability of tails is 1 minus the probability of heads. So if you think about it, we've only got 2 options, heads and tails. So if we've got 2 over 3 being the probability of heads, all the rest of the options, all the way up until 1, must be the probability of getting tails, because we've only got those 2 options. So I'm going to do 1 minus 2 over 3, which gives us 1 over 3. So that's going to be the probability of tails. So now lastly, the probability of 4 tails when the coin is thrown 4 times. In a similar way to how we thought about it for heads up here, it's going to be 1 over 3, the probability of getting tails once when you flip the coin, multiplied by 1 over 3, because we're going to get tails and tails, and tails, and tails, which equals 1 over 81, which is our final answer. So we got our first mark for getting the probability of getting heads, and our second mark for using that to get the correct answer of 1 over 81.